Max Bakery, located in Boone, North Carolina. Have you ever wanted specialty bread, pastries, and cakes that taste just like your grandma used to make? Well, head on over to Max. Max is known for these special products, their delicate handmade cakes, and their pastries that are made every morning. Starting at 4:30, Max employees show up to work where they start baking and making the cakes to ensure that every morning all products are fresh for the customers. Max strongly supports the local community by selling Hatchet Coffee with their pastries every morning. So head on over and get a pastry and a cup of coffee. Max wants to make you feel like you are just at home, so come on in for a slice of home. Max is located where the old Jimmy John's on King Street used to be, at 525 West King Street, Boone, North Carolina, 28607.